Well, several roads are closed around the county as crews expect more heavy flooding. From North County to Fashion Valley, flooding is impacting the entire area. Let's check in with Teresa Sardina. She's live along the San Diego River. And Teresa, that picture behind you says it all. Wow.
I know, could you believe this? And this is a very common area for flooding. I know Matt was talking about the downed trees, but we're talking about the road conditions. So this morning I got to work around 11:30 this morning. Normally it's like a 15-minute commute for me, but it took me 40 minutes because of all that rain this morning and people driving slowly, trying to avoid the potholes. Just a lot of traffic, and that's what people were seeing throughout the entire day. But here, right behind Fashion Valley Mall, this is how it has been for decades. Every time there's a lot of rain, you see the water flowing over the road crossing through the San Diego River. And when it rains, of course, the city of San Diego, they close all the road crossings. So this is behind Fashion Valley, on Fashion Valley Road between Hotel Circle and Friars Road. But we're going to give you a look at some of the areas across the county that saw a lot of rain. Take a look.
Another round of heavy rain throughout San Diego County overnight to Tuesday, causing dangerous road conditions. This is Spring Valley near the swap meet. The slick roads, many veering away from potholes, severe flooding on some streets and freeways. Of course, traffic, muddy in some areas due to mudslides. A look at Sereno Valley. A common area for flooding, the Tijuana River Valley, just like what we see at the San Diego River. CHP urging drivers to use their windshield wipers, keep headlights on, and use caution while driving.
And back out live, well, we're getting a break in the rain right now, but we came out here to show you just how much rain we have been getting. As I'm sure our viewers are saying, well, that's how it always is. It's during, the storm season, all the flooding in areas along the San Diego River. But we just want to come out here to show you just how much. As you can see, the city crews have put their flooded signs out here, the road closed signs. And, Rafer, many people still try to walk through this. Many that maybe live in the riverbed over here, and some who think that they could just ride their bike through this. It's very dangerous. City crews just want people to stay away from the flooded areas along the San Diego River. So coming up at 5, we're going to head to the other side of the mall to show you how that is looking. Rafer?
Just don't drive through that. Just don't tell your photog, David Villegas, don't drive through. Yeah, don't drive, don't walk through that water. It's very dangerous. All right, Teresa, thank you so much.